Trip of a lifetime. An intermodal story. This is Ted. Ted ships things, thousands of things to hundreds of places. He's been doing this for a while now, and he knows there's no one way to move goods. Think about it. The washing machine in your laundry room or the cookies in your cupboard didn't go from the manufacturing facility directly to your house. They took another route, most likely an intermodal route, which, by definition, involves at least two different modes of transportation. Often, that means trains and trucks. How did that washing machine get to the customer efficiently, affordably, and environmentally responsibly? Let's start at the beginning. Some of the machine parts were made overseas and shipped here. Once assembled, the washing machines are loaded into a container, which is transported by a mix of trucks and trains, using the efficiency of rail to complete the long-haul portion of the move, finally arriving for purchase in the store. If done just right, shippers like Ted can reduce costs and optimize shipments when using intermodal rail transportation. On average, 14% of truck freight in a shipper's network is currently suboptimized. Here's something that Ted, who used to be a truck-only guy, learned long ago. Intermodal rail transportation fits well into his supply chain, and it can fit into yours too. It's not trains replacing trucks, it's trains and trucks, and often cargo ships, working together to deliver goods on time with improved efficiency. Intermodal rail transportation can provide substantial cost savings, improving your bottom line today and becoming a responsible growth engine for tomorrow. The good news, all the pieces are already in place. The global infrastructure, collaboration between shipping partners, and advanced logistic technology. Last year alone, 14.1 million loads were moved by intermodal rail transportation. The capacity is also scalable to meet your needs. And did you know that CSX Transportation Intermodal has more intermodal lanes than any other Eastern railroad? Sustainability is an additional and quite powerful benefit to intermodal rail transportation. If 10% of long-haul highway freight converted to rail, annual fuel consumption would decrease by 12 billion gallons. By incorporating intermodal rail transportation, Ted helps his company reduce its carbon footprint and meet sustainability goals. Here's something else that Ted has learned about intermodal rail transportation. There's a sweet spot. The optimal distance when a shipper can realize the most benefits from a train and truck solution is 500 plus miles. To determine Ted's sweet spot, the experts at CSX Intermodal, one of the country's largest and most experienced intermodal carriers, introduced him to the CSX Intermodal Highway to Rail Optimizer, a tool that identifies the best H2R conversion opportunities. Scalable capacity, sustainable savings. This is the intermodal rail transportation story. Find out what it can mean to you and your shipping needs.